my favorite part about the job though is just meeting people. Like, I mean, when I did that quote yesterday at that Hoarder House, you know, I was working extra to try to make those people understand what junk removal is and what our value to them would be versus the other 3 people that were going to come bid on that job. And I told them straight up, I said, my price may not be the best price, but I said, I'm offering you the best value and the most flexibility in how you want to get this job done. And I hope that I've communicated that to you today, because I was the first one they talked to. So I got to make the biggest impression, or I hope that I did, on what that process is going to look like and you know, how it's a value to them. But dealing with the people is my favorite part of the job. Just meeting people, you know, whether they're going through a death in the family or their mom got sick and got moved out and had to get moved, you know, needs to get moved back in, but all this stuff needs to be cleaned out, or people are moving, whatever their situation is, you know, they're going through stuff in their life, you got stuff going on in your life and your business, and you're crossing paths and you're getting to be a part of each other's lives. And you know, we've done jobs already for customers that are outside of our normal things that we do, but we made a connection with those people. They trusted us, and anytime they have a problem, hey Brad, you know, I'm in a pickle, I need you to come over here and build my grandson's fire truck for Christmas. I'm gonna pay you now. All right, well, me and Jonathan go over there and we get the instruction book out, and we figure out how to build this massive 2-seater fire truck and put all the stickers on it. And you know, he paid us well and he tipped us well and was like, Merry Christmas. And you know, it's meeting people like that yeah, they're paying us to do a job, but they trust us.
Yeah.
He trusted us, you know, to do that for him.
Yeah.
And you know, things like that mean the most.
Yeah.
To me. Our order's ready.
Our order's ready. Awesome. I almost forgot about the burgers.